So, let's go, boys. Let's wrap this place. I no. Let's fix this place. Yarn. That's the term. Excuse me. Wala si Roy. Bitbit ako box. Okay, 10. Okay na. 10 lang. Palayo sa tagamay. Excuse me. Canned goods. Check saan ako ah. Dako sa ta. Labay be. Fuck. Yes sir. You don't excuse me because I am robbery. You know? Asa man tong kauban? Bulaga. Ay, ina mo. Wala oy, taka ka. Ay mama, Aisa. Ay. Ay!